is that?
Zebra. The giraffe. Zebra.
Dinosaur. It's a dinosaur.
Dinosaur. We have dinosaurs here. Yes, looking for dinosaur.
Oh no! What is that? It's a dinosaur. Horse.
Okay, so we have here the waterbuck antelope. So waterbuck can be described by the rough coat, long stringy hair, and their white colors in their throat. Fun fact about waterbuck is that they can secrete oil that covers around their bodies. That aids them in waterproofing and also attracting heat. So again, we have here the waterbuck antelope.
Waterbuck.
Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.
Hello, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Zebra. 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 Look.
And this one we have here, it is called the greater kudu. Can be identified by their white